In this question, it is given that the y component of velocity is 20 and its component of velocity is 10. The direction of motion of body with the horizontal at this instant is. So over here, if you are considering an xy coordinate system, so just consider an xy axis, something like this over here. The y component of velocity is given as nothing but 20. So we can just consider that, and the x component of velocity is nothing but 10. So let's say this is nothing but 10 and its y component is nothing but 20. So we know that our resultant vector will be along this direction. So this is our resultant velocity vector, and it is making an angle, let's say theta, with respect to the horizontal or with respect to x-axis. Over here the word horizontal is for x-axis. So we can write the value of tan theta over here. Tan theta is opposite side is nothing but 20 and adjacent side is nothing but 10. So the value of tan theta is 2, or you can write theta is equal to tan inverse of